Welcome to Mastering Data Visualization with QlikView. My name is David Chisholm. I've been a QlikView consultant for 10 years and counting. I designed many QlikView training courses, and at last count I've trained over 1,000 people in classroom courses. I've been involved in IT and business intelligence for the last 32 years. I know I don't look old enough in my photo, but it's the tricks of the light. When I'm not training people or designing QlikView dashboards, I'm a keen cricketer and golfer. Keen rather than talented being the operative word. Let's have a look at the course overview and what you can expect. In section 1, we'll have a look at how does a great dashboard work, what visualizations are available to us, and the power of green, white and grey. In section 2, we'll look at loading data into our model. We'll have a look at fact tables and dimension tables. I'll have a look at the power of apply map. In section 3, we'll have a look at the visualizations on our canvas, things like data selectors, 3 uses of a text box, and we'll build our first charts. In section 4, we'll look at adding power to our charts. We'll look at set analysis and how we can do year-to-year comparisons, cycles, drills, ranking, and what does Agger do. In section 5, we'll look at adding power to our scripting. We'll have a look at variables, creating a user-defined report, and adding a calendar. In section 6, we'll have a look at the 5 levels of security available to us, so we can see who can get in and once they're in what they can see. We'll also have a look at using the QlikView report writer. In section 7, we'll look at the mapping options available to us in QlikView. We'll also look at styling and best practice in visualization, and finally we'll try and give our page a bit more of a web page feel. So our prerequisites are a copy of QlikView installed. It can be personal edition. You don't need to buy a license for QlikView for this course, so just download it from qlik.com. And also you need the support files provided with the course, as that's where we're going to be loading our data from. So let's get started.